guys, Double Wide 6, and today I'm going to be bringing you a video on how to remove highly corroded bolts that are broken off in metal. This comes from a turbo from actually some sort of car, I'm not sure what. And we're going to be using the iron cross method. You may have heard of this. It's on the internet. I'm trying this out for the first time. We're going to see if we can remove some bolts. So here's a look at our part. I got it from the scrap yard, and this is coming off here, and there's 4 bolts that are highly rusted and actually broke off when trying to remove them. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this iron cross and see if we can't get these out. So let's get started. We're going to begin by shocking the bolt. Now we're going to shock it some more. I think I got it wiggling a little bit. I'm just going to grab some penetrating oil. Acetone, ATF, 50%. There it is, got it out of there, guys. You could save yourself a ton of time if you can do this properly rather than having to drill that out. So this is the iron cross method of extracting a bolt, and it works pretty fantastic. I'm Double Wide 6. If you're not a subscriber, click subscribe right now. Thanks for watching, guys.